Hey guys, and I have the Boxycharm April premium box. I do pay for this with my own money. This box is worth $35 a month. I just got it in the mail today, and I'm not gonna do a try on because I did a try on for the basic box, and I am kind of short on time just because I am still working. I'm a healthcare professional, so it kind of makes it hard during this time right now that we're all quarantined to actually film. So I had to take advantage that my mom is watching my son. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and just do an unboxing real quick and kind of give you my thoughts on this month's box. The theme, I don't know what the hell the theme is. I think it's festival the same. I don't know why I don't have a card in this box. I just have this whole like makeup eraser thing, but I don't have the actual card, so I can't tell you guys what everything is worth and what the total value is like I normally do, because I don't know, some of these boxes lately, they haven't been sending the card and then they just email it to you like a week or two later. So anyways, I'm gonna jump in, and first is Livido. I just got something in my Ipsy from this brand. It's like a natural brand. I'm thinking that just from this lettering seems, I don't know where this is from, so if anyone knows, let me know. But it says it's an age away replenishing cream. It's supposed to hydrate. It's supposed to have avocado and melissa organic oils. I didn't know that I had an organic oil. So it says grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado, and I'm not lying, there's my name right there. Don't know what it is, but hopefully it's something good. It says extracts from 11 pure plants. So we'll add this into my skincare. Like I said, I got something from Ipsy. Where are you? Look, I got this one from Ipsy, and this is like a mask and a exfoliator, and this one is the replenishing. So I guess this is a new brand that's like in the market to promote themselves because they are going to subscription boxes, and I feel like that's a great way for newer brands or brands that aren't as popular to get you know, well known, and for people to test out their products. Okay, if I could, okay, I can't get this damn thing off. Okay, so it has a kind of cucumber smell to it. It's really like a natural smell to it. It seems like nice and hydrating on the skin. It took me forever to freaking open this thing. Next thing in here is the Becca Luminous Blush in Camilla. So I do love Becca. I do love their products. So we shall see what this looks like. And it is like the smaller kind of, like their highlights come in like the bigger packaging. So this is their blush, and that's a pretty shade. It's a very shimmery kind of pinky coral shade right there. That is what it looks like. So I do think that this is something that I like. I do really like their blushes just because they do have that beautiful luminosity to them. And Becca is a really well-known, beautiful brand. Next thing in here is from Wander Beauty. It's the Mile High Club Volume and Lengthen Mascara. I recently got this in another box. I don't remember. I'm thinking it was in my Ipsy one, so I don't know what's going on with Ipsy and Boxycharm if they're just sharing brands. But I have yet to try this. The wand looks like something that I will like, so now I have 2 of these to go around. But I am a mascara junkie, so I don't mind having a few. Next thing in here is from Juice Beauty. I know that they make a lot of skincare stuff, but this is a Phyto Pigments Liquid Lip, and it's in the shade 06 Drew. So it says that, what does it say here? Basically, I don't know. It just talks about their brand itself. It doesn't say much about, okay, there it goes. It says vibrant plant-derived pigments, fruit stem cell, moisturizing cold press oils, and organic juices, waxes, and powders. I don't know. So this is what it looks like right there. It's a very vivid coral kind of shade. Oh, it looks like a lip gloss. So it doesn't have any kind of real scent to it. We shall see what this looks like. Let me just swatch it at least. So that is what it looks like. It looks pretty pigmented. We'll be trying this out. I will update you guys on my Instagram. If you're not following me, you can follow me down below if you want to keep up with me or see anything with beauty related or get to know me a little bit more personally on my Instagram. You can check that down below. Next thing in here is this little baggie right here. It says Opulent Beauty, and They are brushes. I have never heard of this brand either, and since I don't have the card, I can't tell you how much these are worth. They are transparent handles, which is kind of neat and different, and they are thicker handles. So let's see. These feel like nice. They don't feel like cheap. Like just seeing them clear like that, I would think that they're cheap, but they do have like a nice weight to them, and they're super soft. I can't tell you if they're synthetic or natural haired because I literally don't have a card in here, which is a little frustrating. This looks like a really nice like under eye for like powder or for highlighting, so that's a nice brush. A nice like flat top for either bronzing and blush or like foundation. You could use this. It's nice and dense, and this looks like a nice fluffy brush for either blush or just like all over powder. So we'll be adding these to my collection. They look very nice and sturdy, like they seem very solid, like very nicely made. So like I said, because I don't have the stupid card, then I don't know how much any of this is. And then the last thing in here is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Hydration Mask. This comes with 1.7 ounces. I adore Pharmacy Beauty. Their skincare is amazing. I have tried quite a few of their products and really enjoy it, so this will be added on there. So it does have a nice little spatula, and I can already see that it is magnetized, which I really like, so that way you don't like lose it. And that is what it looks like right there. Ooh, honey. Yeah, so this, I can't really get a scent, but hopefully it smells like honey because I really like that. And it's supposed to be a hydration mask, so I will be trying this out. I do have normal to almost a little bit dry skin, so this will hopefully help. And I really have enjoyed Pharmacy's products that I have tried or bought, so that is a plus. So this box is a nice box. I wouldn't say it like blew my socks away. I do like the Becca. This is just okay. Love the Pharmacy. This skincare thing is just okay for me. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and the brushes seem really nice, and this is nice as well. So this is just an okay box for me. It's not something like I'm just like thrilled about. I feel like some of the other premium ones that they've come out with, I've been like, yeah. But this one's just nice. So yeah, I like it. It's worth the money. So yay for them. I don't have the total value, so I'm sorry about that. Let me know what you guys got. Did you like your variation? There were some other things that I kind of saw that I thought I was gonna get, and I was hoping to get, and then I didn't. Like, I really like Lunar Beauty, and I was hoping to get one of, I think it was supposed to have like Lifes of Drag palette in some of the premium boxes, and I didn't get one, so I'm a little sad about that because I think I would have really enjoyed that palette in there because I love Manny's formulation, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So that is my variation. Let me know down below which one did you get, what did you get that you liked or didn't like. I'd love to hear from you down below. Follow me on Instagram. You can subscribe by hitting that little red button if you want to see more unboxings, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.